Welcome back, traders. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to catch this particular moment that ended up giving like a 1:15. Can you say 1:15 here? Raised to the word ratio. So I'm going to show you how I was able to catch this particular moment. And then so next time if you see a structure like this, also you also can know how to enter into the trade. So let's just go into the video right now. So okay, so if you share this particular area, price actually creates to what? Liquidity. I mean this particular place. So price is creating liquidity here. So price end up coming to this particular area 3 times. As an institutional trader, we don't trade this particular strategy. It's retail trader that trade this particular strategy. So as an institutional trader, we understand the reason why price is moving. We understand the reason why price is respecting every single level. We are not using all this line, drawing line from any angle that price is going to respect it. No, we don't do that. So every single time you see a structure like this, that price is respecting a particular level, price is going to take that high as a liquidity, and the price always move very fast, just to take out those liquidity. You understand? So I know that price probably going to take this upside liquidity first, and also we have what liquidity below here. So you have liquidity below here. This is what I'm expecting price to actually do next to. So you have some liquidity resting below here, but I'm expecting price to first take out the liquidity above. So once price take out this particular liquidity, then I will sell the market. So I'm waiting for market to give me like entry so I can sell the market also, and then price will probably come down to this particular order block before going what on a bullish direction. So that's just what I'm expecting next. But the first thing you're going to do before you can be cashing all this particular movement, you like to know and understand which side of the liquidity is price going to take first. Is it the liquidity above here or the liquidity below here? So once you're able to find that out, then you can find what a possible entry that you can enter into the market, just to take that particular liquidity. So right here, I was expecting price to take out this upside liquidity. During my last video, when price was around this particular place, I said I'm expecting price to first take out this particular liquidity above here before coming all the way down to take this downside liquidity. Now that I understand that price is going to take out this particular up liquidity, so I have to find what an entry, just to enter into this particular moment. And then the strategy that I'm using, just I'm waiting for 2 high to be broken or 1 high. You understand? So if markets end up breaking again 2 high like this, let me delete this. If markets end up breaking up 2 high like this, price end up going above this particular high. This is the first side that price broke. Price broke this high and also this particular high. So price broke 2 high, making this particular order block what? A reorder block. Let me delete this. This particular order block here, making this particular order block what? A reorder block. But I can't enter into the markets using this particular big order block. If I have to use this particular big order block, the ratio I'm going to make is going to be very small. It's going to be very small. Let's just calculate the ratio. Then if I set my deep profit here, then can you see just like 1:2? No, I'm not the kind of trader that take 1:2. My smallest ratio is just like 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, and so on. So that is the ratio I always take in the market. So now that I know that price is going to respect this particular order block, I have to go down to lower time frame to find a perfect order block that price is going to respect. So these are 1 hour time frame. You can just go down to 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, it's still the same order block. They end up breaking this side and also this side. So you're still going to leave it like that. And then you can also go down to the next lower time frame, which is on 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, we are able to see order block that end up breaking this 2 high. This 2 high here. So this is the order block that broke the 2 high. This 2 high you are seeing here. This is the first side, and also this one. This is the line of liquidity. Let me delete it. And also this line below here is a line of liquidity. Is this particular order block that end up breaking this 2 high, this first one, and then there's the second one. So this order block is still what? A reorder block. So if I have to enter into the trade using 15 minutes time frame order block, let me just set entry. Then you're going to see how many ratios going to give us. So you set what your stop loss below here, and then you set what your take profits. This is the last liquidity I'm expecting price to take. So I'm expecting price to go above this particular high here. So it's set our take profit here. So if you check out the ratio, this is just 1:5. So I'm expecting price to give me a 1:10 at least. So I can still go down to the next lower time frame, which is 5 minutes time frame. So from 15 minutes time frame, now we are going down to 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame, I also to analyze the market to know exact order block that price is going to on 5 minutes time frame. So right here we can see this particular order block here. which is our 15 minutes order block, but our 15 minutes order block is already in between. We can't just raise this order block to go up, we can only bring it down, you understand? And then you're going to see, okay, price is going to like to sweep out this particular low as what in liquidity, and then price is probably going to respect this particular 5 minutes order block. So you can end up making use of this particular 5 minutes order block, and also you can end up going down to like 3 minutes time frame, but I make use of this particular 5 minutes order block. The price is going to like to take out this particular low, just like to sweep it out as a liquidity, and the price will start going what's on a bullish direction. So if you go down to like 3 minutes time frame, just for the sake of teaching, okay, it's still the same order block, so let's just go back to like a 5 minutes time frame. Then I set my entry below this particular low here. The price is going to like to take out this particular liquidity out, so I set my entry here. Then my stop loss was below here. I added some little peep. Okay, this is where I set my stop loss there. Then I set what my take profits, this particular high here, this particular high. So let me just move the market to that high. So I set my take profit here. Can you see it here? Right here, price end up giving like a 1:15. Can you see? This 1:16. I think there's a mistake when I set my entry, but it was actually 1:15.07, 1:15.07. So that is how I was able to like to enter into this particular trade. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please follow me and then like this particular video. I really appreciate. So this is how I was able to like to catch this particular movement. So let me go back to like a 15 minutes time frame. So this 15 minutes time frame. So right now I believe you should be able to like to see a setup like this. Next time you'll be able to like to know how to enter into the trade. So if you're watching my video for the first time, please like this video and then follow me for more. So if you want me to like to train you, my mentorship program is on. So I'm going to like to be training you on every single thing you need to know about the market, and then how to be profitable, and also how to like to be cashing all this particular movement like 1:10, 1:20, 1:30, and so on. So I'm going to like to be training you personally. It's not a group training, just like individual training. I'm going to like to be sharing my screen with you, just like to train you. So that's just for that. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and follow me for more. So see you in my next video.